uh, 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 there are sometimes I've heard people narrate them and they kind of misunderstand what exactly is they understand the opposite of them. And I thought it would be a good idea to talk about this. So the Wabi Salah here is mentioning that the Prophet ﷺ looked at him and he called him, he said, Ya Wabi Salah, he came to him and he said, you came here to ask me about something, about al-birr wal-ithm, about good deeds and bad deeds, about piety, doing the right thing, and sinfulness. It seems like Wabi Salah, the Prophet ﷺ understood from something he said, or from his presence, or he read his mind, or whatever the case may be, that Wabi Salah, this Sahabi, wanted to have a test, a method, a way to distinguish between what is right and what's wrong. And he wanted to have like it seems like there's a lot of ahkam and there's a lot of rulings, and he wants to understand, like, tell me how I tell the difference. Give me a guide. Give me something that I can tell the difference between what's right and what's wrong. So the Prophet ﷺ said this, istafti qalbak. And this is the phrase that a lot of people use, but they stop here. They say istafti qalbak, that consult your heart. This is what it means. This is the literal translation of it. But this is not what exactly it means. There's a little bit more to it. So when you hear people say istafti qalbak, they're talking about this hadith, but there's a little bit more to it. Because this is what he says. He says, istafti qalbak, فإن البر, that consult your heart, that good things, the good deeds, مطمئنت إليه النفس وطمأن إليه القلب, that good deeds usually are things that your inner, your they call it in psychology the superego, the sense of morality is at ease with that, is at peace. You can sleep at night. This is bir. So this is what he's telling the Prophet ﷺ, telling Wabi Salah, that if something is you're unsure about it, whether it's right or wrong, usually there is something inside of you that what tells you to do the right or wrong, to tell you the difference between right and wrong. The sense of morality, usually it's comfortable with that. وَالْإِثْمُ, and sinfulness, things that are not permissible, مَا حَاكَ فِي الصَّدْرِ وَمَا حَاكَ فِي النَّفْسِ وَتَرَدَّدَ فِي الصَّدْرِ, that you feel, it feels like it's not, you're not comfortable with it. It pokes from the inside. It doesn't feel right. And then he says, وَإِنْ أَفْتَاكَ النَّاسُ وَأَفْتَوْكَ, that even though people gave you a verdict and gave you a fatwa that this is permissible, but you still feel deep inside this is something that I shouldn't be doing, then maybe you should stay away from it. And the scholars of tazkiyah and tasawwuf and akhlaq call this wara', which is basically, wara' is actually this, is to leave some of the permissible so you do not fall into something that is sinful. You leave a safety margin between your actions and of a safety margin of things that are permissible between you and what's haram. So when the Prophet ﷺ, he's saying istafti qalbak, he's not saying do whatever you like, follow your, I follow my heart. People say that. No, this is not what he's trying to tell you. Because following your heart, it's another way of saying I follow my desires. I do whatever I like, whatever feels comfortable to me, right? No, the Prophet ﷺ is saying consult your intellect, your higher sense of morality, which is something we all know it's there. We don't know it, but it's there. You feel it. And the more you consult it, the sharper it gets, and the more it guides you into doing what's right. The more you neglect it, the more you ignore it, the more dull it gets, and it doesn't hurt anymore. You just don't. It doesn't work anymore. But this is what the Prophet ﷺ said. And to make it even easier, usually what you like is not the right thing. in a lot of these things. Imam al-Busiri says, وَخَالِفِ النَّفْسَ وَالشَّيْطَانَ وَعْصِيهَهُمَا وَإِنْ مَحَضَاكَ الْإِثْمَ وَإِنْ مَحَضَاكَ النُّصْحَ فَاتَّهِمِ, that contradict your nafs and your shaitan, because usually your nafs is going to tell you to do what's comfortable and what's easier for you, but it might not be the right thing to do. So here, a lot of people say, the Prophet ﷺ said, istafti qalbak. Sure, he did say that. But what does it mean? This is what it means. It means if you istafti, the sense of morality inside of you, because this is what is going to tell you what's right and what's wrong. Because all of us know what's right and what's wrong. We do. We ignore it sometimes, but that's exactly what the Prophet, to my knowledge, is talking about. And I hope this was of benefit. يروي الإمام أحمد والدارمي كل في مسندهما عن وابصة بن معبد الأسدي رضي الله تعالى عنه وأرضاه أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: يا وابصة جئت تسأل عن البر والإثم فقلت نعم. قال: استفتي قلبك، البر ما اطمأنت إليه النفس واطمأن إليه القلب، والإثم ما حاك في النفس وتردد ما حاك في القلب وتردد في الصدر، وإن أفتاك الناس وأفتوك. صدق رسول الله. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.